Enjoy. What's good? It's your girl Shida B, aka Finest Nigerian. I am back at it again. How are you guys doing today? Some of you guys may not know that I have a hair company, okay? I started my hair business 2 years ago, and because I wanted to focus on that, it made me abandon a lot of other things that I really have passion for, which is including my YouTube. But say less, because baby girl is back, and I just filmed this install for y'all. Look at this, y'all. Look at this install. This is a hair, this hair is from Balo Bundles. Balo Bundles is my hair company. It is Indian Virgin Hair 150 density. If you want this unit to be back on the market because it is sold out and out of stock, but if you want us to restock this unit, please let me know. Let me know, and I'll do that for you. It is also installed with Balo Bundles lace glue, lace adhesive, and yes, sis, before I even jump into the video, before y'all see the install, I'm gonna tell y'all about this glue so you can go get it. You can start watching me right now and go to BALOBEAUTYBRAND and get your glue. Did I say pull? Pull. Bake and pull all day long. Okay? Pull. And we only did 2 layers. Waterproof, it's not going anywhere. Let me not talk your ears up. Jump in and watch the video. It was easy to start this install because my hair was already in a straight back braid, and all I had to do was just put it all in a cap and start gluing that cap for that melt cap look. This wig cap is actually thicker than normal, so it was very hard to get it to melt, but we got it melted though. Since this corner don't want to stick down, I'm about to use Balo Bundles lace adhesive right here to tame this little baby down. Yep. And we just completed one part. I'm going to do this other part and I'll be right back. The got to be glue doesn't really work for the corner edges, so I have to use Balo Bundles Extreme O. So cut gently, don't cut your skin. The last time I got my lace installed, my friend, she installed it, she cut my skin, y'all. She did. She cut my skin like right somewhere over here. So don't. Okay, now I'm gonna cut off this excess back here. But before I do that, I'm gonna sew it. Boom. So I am like very excited to do this install because I am using my own product. This is Balo Bundles Extreme Lace Adhesive. Can you read it? But you see that logo though? You see the logo? Alright, as you can see, Balo Bundles Lace Adhesive. Y'all, my Balo Bundles Lace Adhesive, it gives you extreme hold, humidity resistance, good for oily skin, and I'm telling y'all there's no latex in this glue. So this glue is made with like natural ingredients. This Balo Bundles lace glue is the bomb. I have been using this lace glue. It is waterproof, humidity resistant. You feel me? It is extreme old. It will last you 2 to 6 weeks long. Yes, you will need to get the removal, the lace glue removal, to even get this off your scalp. You feel me? And you could go swimming, you could go into the water, everything with this bad boy. So you could get this on BALOBEAUTYBRAND.com. You want to go on BALOBEAUTYBRAND.com to get my Balo Bundles Lace Adhesive Extreme Old. Period. And now I am going to be using it. So I put right there in dots, right on top of my lace. That's how I do it. just like that. I'm gonna go over it again. I like to do this step 2 to 3 times, sometimes 4. You could do this like even 5 steps, and then your lace is literally going to last you like a whole month or longer. So the more you apply the glue, the longer your lace will last. If you do 1 layer, then that means you just want like a quick install. You do not want it to last. You want to be able to quickly take it back out. It may look a mess, but trust the process. Alright y'all, now we're gonna put the wig on. I want to put on this Pixie uni that is from BALOBEAUTYBRAND's collection. BALOBEAUTYBRAND is my hairline. I already said it before. This unit, y'all, this is like an old unit. I like dyed the bottom and then I tried to dip it back in the color black, and then it gives like this brownish color, which I really love. But y'all, this unit is an old unit which I am thinking about bringing back to the game. So comment below if you want me to bring back this Pixie unit. It is a 150 density and this unit is only $100 when you get it from me. I'm gonna start from the back, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna come forward. I like to start from the center to avoid my hair getting everywhere. Let's use a little like that. Pin the hair back a bit. Gotta be gentle. Don't rip your lace. And I got I'm just using the comb to make sure that the lace lays very well. Yes, I installed this wig before, and the first time that I installed it, I was lazy. I did not do a whole lot of plucking. I don't like to do a whole lot of plucking because I think it's all an illusion. Then when you see it in person, all you see is the lace. So it be looking good on Instagram until you see it in person. Just lace glue. Soon as your lace lays on it, it is literally attached. It is attached. It is like snug. You can feel it. This is me. I haven't laid it down yet with a baby wrap. You see that? I haven't laid it down, and I only do 2 layers. Remember, if you want your lace to stay even longer, then you do more layers. Y'all see that? Now I'm gonna lay this baby hair. I'm gonna customize my hairline. I'm just going in. I'm doing a little bit of plucking. This is all the plucking I should have did before this install. It's so good. I'm going to use Got to Be Glue, this clear gel. Alright, I'm gonna lay the other side. My nose watery. Oh no, oh no. I hope it's looking good. I hope so. I just added a little bit of mousse because right here is dry, so I want to fix this hairline. So, if you use got to be glue and it dries up, just use some mousse and it will loosen up. When I say this wig, like, you could get your hair yank right now and your lace gonna still be there even without tying it down. But now, my camera is gonna die. So I'm gonna tie this down while my camera dies, so I'm gonna be back to finish styling this hair. So I'm just gonna wrap this. Baby hair laid, okay? I'm just gonna spray this hair with conditioner and water. Mousse. Y'all, let me know if I should bring this wig back. Should we bring the wig back? Then you can install it. If you want me to bring this unit back on the market on Balo bundles, if y'all like this unit, it is only 100 bucks. It might, when I bring it back, the price might have went up a little, but y'all know how the market is. So it is Indian virgin hair, really nice. I'm just adding mousse to the ends. I'm using a little bit of got to be glue with mousse, right? I'm gonna mix it together, and this makes like an extra ode. Ooh, wow, we did it. We did it. I wanted to put a part, but because I love my baby hair, I think there'll be no part. Should I put a part? Should I not put a part? I don't think there'll be a part. So you could do this slick to the back look. You'll see it. This is the install, y'all. This is the install. If you wanna put part. This is a really nice unit, 13 by 4, 6 inch. Like I said, if you want it, let me know. Visit my website, balobundles.com, for your lace glue and for your baby hair wrap. We have lots of nice luxury quality bundles for you on there. I almost forgot this. It burns, but you gotta let it burn. Ooh, it's still wet. Now, if I want to put in the part, let's do the pull test, y'all. I'm yanking. I am yanking. Yanking. Balo. That's how you do it. And that's just with 2 layers, y'all. it is a wrap for this video. I really hope you guys enjoy doing this install with me. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and comment what you want to see from me next. And I'll see you in my next video.